Just bought this window air conditioner for a bedroom from Walmart. It's an Air. Paid $135 for it. This one has a remote control. What's wrong with my old air conditioner? Well, it's about 5 years old and the fan is starting to make noise. Can't live with the noise. So this is the replacement. But before installing a new air conditioner in the window, try it out first. Of course, make sure that it blows cold. But the thing is, you want to try out the noise level of the fan and the compressor, because some of these are way too noisy. So I tried it out on the floor before I put it in the window. That way, if it's unacceptable, I will take it back to Walmart and I don't have to go through uninstalling it from the window. Save yourself a lot of work. Try it out on the floor, then install it.